Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about train test splitting and understand why it is important in machine learning. Before training a model, we need to divide data into separate parts so that the model can learn and then be evaluated. So what is train test split? Train test split can divide the dataset into training data, which can be used to train the model and learn patterns. Testing data used to evaluate how well the model performs on unseen data. Normally, the train test split ratio is 80% training data and 20% testing data. Why it is important? Because it helps to prevent overfitting, evaluate the performance of model, test the predictions on unseen data, improve the reliability of the model. Without splitting, the model may simply memorize the data rather than learning the patterns given in the dataset. So, for that, to understand how it works, I have taken example of data. Here I have created a data which is hours and marks. So marks is our target variable and hours is the feature variable. So we have taken a data and created with the help of pandas here. And we are printing this data and train test split has been imported with the help of Scikit-Learn modules. And then we have taken separate the features and target. X is the feature variable and Y have the target variable. And then this is the code and or the syntax to split the dataset in two parts. Here, if you can see, the size of the dataset is the 0.2. It means 20% data goes into the test data. And then we can print X trend and sorry, we can print first this one and then we can print X trend, which have the 80% data. Means as we have five datas here, five rows. So four rows has been given to the train and X test has the only one variable because it has only 20% of the whole data. So this is how we can apply the train test speed on the bigger data. Here, this is the example how we can use training data for learning and testing data for evaluation. So, to conclude, train test split is an important step in machine learning because it helps evaluate model performance and ensures the working of the models, how it is working well or not on new data. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.